What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can stream from TikTok through the OBS on your PC. So why would you want to stream through OBS? Streaming through OBS uses less system resources than TikTok, right? So if you're using TikTok to stream, you will notice that TikTok uses a lot of resources, uses a lot of RAM, a lot of CPU, and it's not ideal if you are playing and streaming from the same device. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can stream, how you can capture your audio and everything from OBS, then send it to TikTok so that TikTok will just be picking this video signal from OBS and streaming direct to TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Chrome or any web browser at all, then go to this website. It's going to be on the screen. It's going to be on the description box as well. So once you load up the website, then you have to go to products, click on product, and then go to vertical. Once you're in vertical, you have to click on download vertical. In this case I've already downloaded it. So once you download it, first thing you have to do is you now have to open OBS. So in this case I have an OBS running already. So once you open OBS, you go to docs, and then go to, you see vertical. Make sure you click on vertical, and then you can see it has brought the vertical interface to my OBS. So the next thing you have to do now is you have to add vertical sources, right? So you can see this is my vertical source. I have video capture device and game capture. You can add every other thing in this app, right? All your game capture, your audio, everything you need. Once you add it all on this app, then what you have to do is open TikTok Studio. So I have my TikTok Studio here. I have to run it. Once the TikTok Studio loads up, you see. So once the TikTok Studio loads up, what you have to do is click on add source. Once you click on add source, then you have to click on camera, right? You click on camera and then click on add source, and then in the camera source you have to click on OBS virtual camera, right? Then click on add source. You can see right here it's already here but nothing is showing. So this is how you can make it to show. You go back to OBS and click on this camera thing here, click on it. This is virtual camera. You can see the virtual camera is turned on. Then when I go back to OBS, you can see that I have my everything, my sources and like whatever I need to use and stream on TikTok. So you can now add the other TikTok other sources you use on TikTok, like your links, your alerts, your goals, and then you can now align it, and then you can now hit go live, and then OBS will be capturing the audio you did, whatever sources you need, and then it will be sending the signal to TikTok, and TikTok will now be carrying the signal direct to your TikTok followers. And that is basically how you can do it on your PC. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and follow me for more videos like this one. Catch you guys in my next video. Ciao guys.